Hello everyone. Today we will going to make a informative vlog. What is indigenous craft or handicraft? Indigenous craft or handicraft is the artistry and skill work created by indigenous communities using materials and methods unique to their culture. These crafts carry deep cultural significance, often reflecting traditional knowledge, beliefs, and values passed down through generations. First, take a cartolina and fold in the middle. Then fold it again and cut along the fold using scissors. After cutting, fold it again and cut into a flower shape. And after that, I am done cutting out the flowers. Next, I will use red ball pen to draw two lines. Stick a pearl in the middle of the flower for decoration and to make it look beautiful. After I glue the pearl to the flowers I had cut out, then glue each one to the tree shape I had formed. And finally, I have finished what I was doing. And it's very simple but colorful and beautiful to look at it. It's so nice. Look this. It's so very beautiful. Skill have you acquired in making craft or handicraft? In mastering craft, I've acquired proficiency in natural language processing, pattern recognition, and information synthesis. These skills enable me to understand, interpret, and generate human-like text response across various topics and contexts. Additionally, I continuously refine my abilities through ongoing training and feedback loops. Craftsmanship is essential in craft making because it adds uniqueness, quality, and authenticity to final product. Attention to detail, skillful execution, and dedication result in a piece that not only serves its purpose but also carries an artisan's passion and expertise. Hard work in craftsmanship ensures that each item is crafted with care and precision, making it stand out and appreciated for its beauty and value. Your message to your fellow Filipinos who do not know anything about the importance of indigenous craft. My fellow Filipinos, indigenous crafts are vital parts of our heritage. They represent the creativity, traditions, and history of our ancestors. These crafts are not just art, they are stories and skills passed down through generations. By valuing and supporting indigenous crafts, we help preserve our culture and provide livelihoods for many artisans in our communities. Let's take pride in our unique culture, identity, and ensure that this tradition continue to flourish. Embracing in our indigenous crafts mean embracing who are the as Filipinos.